How to equip and upgrade artifacts in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and go to the main lobby screen. Then tap on the character icon to access your character details. Next, look for the artifacts section. Here you will see all the artifacts you currently own. To equip an artifact, simply tap on the artifact slot you want to use and select the artifact from your inventory. Once selected, tap Equip to attach it to your character. Equipped artifacts will immediately boost your stats and abilities. To upgrade artifacts, tap on the artifact you want to enhance. You will see an Enhance button along with the materials required for an upgrade. Tap the Enhance button to upgrade your artifact. Artifacts can be upgraded using in-game resources like materials, gold, or special stones obtained from dungeons, missions, or events. Confirm the upgrade to increase the artifact's level, which will further boost your character's stat and unlock additional effect. Now you know how to equip and upgrade artifacts in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.